Guangdong Ap Tenon Science and Technology Company Limited, founded in 2011. Tenon is a famous high-tech enterprise in China, which is specializing in researching and manufacturing door and digital smart locks. With more than 13 years manufacturing experience, Tenon, the national high-tech enterprise in China, is the first listed company, stock code 833,559, in the smart lock industry. Our company has over 336 employees with 100 Chinese yuan million registered capital. Our factory is located in Nansha District, Guangzhou, with a plant area of 15,000 square meter. We have dust-free SMT workshop to produce main boards, intelligent door workshop with advanced machines, laboratory for testing the durability of products, 9 automatic production lines for smart locks, with daily output of 1,300 sets, and annual output of 400,000 sets. Now, we have advanced technology such as biological fingerprint techniques, fully automatic mortise, and so on. Meanwhile, we own 100 patents and software copyrights. We are also the leading manufacturer in the intelligent door industry. Also, we have got the CE and FCC compliance verification certifications. We are strict with ourselves and responsible for every customer. With continuous product development and satisfactory after-sales service, Tenon has received great praise from hundreds of agents, distributors, and countless end users. Now, there are 6,000 sales points and 300 agents in domestic and overseas markets. Tenon is looking for overseas cooperation for OEM and distributors. Any interest on our smart locks, please contact us.